Alright, just got this in. It's a blaster box of 2018-19 PRIZM. There's one hit per box. And go ahead and open it up. See what kind of do a review on the product here. Doing the camera a little different here. So let's go ahead. Try to lower it down just a little bit. Maybe you can see the cards a little better like this. 6 packs. We'll go over the first one here. Jacob Evans, rookie card right off the top. And it's a typical PRIZM pattern, PRIZM design. Looks pretty good. Jerome Robinson. DeAndre Ayton, that's pretty awesome, the emergent. And they're all young guys. I think these are all rookies. There's Kyrie Thomas, I think. Yeah, pretty nice DeAndre Ayton, emergent. And the other emergent is Jerome Robinson. So, they're all these young first and second year players in that first pack. Wonder if the whole set's going to be like that. Oh, here's my hit already in the second pack. Do it like this. I'm trying not to look at it. Got Jonathan Isaac. Robert Covington. My screen here is backwards actually, so I'm having a hard time reading it. DeAndre Bembry. And the hit is backwards. What is that? Just a jersey card. Sensational swatches. No number on it, but Kenneth Faried. Geez, that's not too bad. Who's he with now? The Nets. Yeah, the uniform in the picture is the Nuggets, but it's a Nets card. I think he's really the only real veteran so far. Everybody else is still a young guy. But I mean, I could have done worse. I like Faried. Jordan Bell. Got a purple bordered Harrison Barnes. Doesn't appear to be numbered or anything. Steph Curry, Marc Gasol. Let's see, Jalen Brunson rookie card. Larry Bird. They're really going all out with these veterans. Porzingis with the legends. Get hyped, Porzingis. But yeah, the Legends cards, the retired players, they're really going all out with that this year. And Rudy Gobert. That's the last one there. Just saw this guy earlier today. Jason Tatum. Didn't sign. Spencer Dinwiddie. Danny Green in a Spurs uniform, but it's a Raptors card. Actually, I'm going to put that off the side. We'll get the Raptors coming up like the next couple days here. Kevin Durant. So. Dellavedova. Brandon Knight. Green border, Wesley Matthews. And the last one is another legend. It's Paul Pierce. Matthews. Wesley Matthews is not numbered either. I don't know what the print runs on those are, but I didn't get an autograph like I would have preferred, but I do like the cards, the jersey cards that come in these. Last year was a pretty good product. This year, definitely got a better player this year. So, pretty cool stuff. And hopefully Danny Green decides to sign autographs coming up pretty soon. I think in like 2 days. But yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. 1 hit per box. Kenneth Faried jersey.